Hello, and now that we have the data source that tells the report where our data is, and also that we have one data set with our fields or with our data, now we can create, for example, a table. Click on the Insert, go to the Table, click on the Insert Table, and now let's draw a table. Now let's put the fields in the table. For example, category ID, drag it to the table, or we can also pick it from the list. Category name, description, and if you need more than these three fields, you can simply drag it to the end and paste it. Now let's go and preview this here in this report builder. It's not the most beautiful report, but as you can see, it works. If we click on the print layout, then we have a print layout. Click again on the design. We can click on the header of the table and let's change something. Let's also change the font color to white, make it bold, and let's make it a little bit wider. Okay, now let's preview the report. And here is our report. Now let's save it. Click on Save. Close the report builder. And now let's try it out in our Excel. As you can see, here is our report. Now let's open my report Excel Workbook. Go to the main menu, click on the Open Virtual Form main menu, and let's try my report. As you can see, we have our report here in Excel. In next video, we will create another data set and show you how you can use two different data sets in one report.